Hi, I'm Phil from ACT Fire and Rescue. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to maintain your smoke alarm and how to change the battery. Smoke alarms come in two types: sealed units that typically last 10 years and units with a 9-volt battery. Even if your alarm is hardwired, it will have a battery backup in case the power goes out. If your alarm has a replaceable battery, ACT Fire and Rescue recommends changing it every year. An easy way to remember this is when you change your clocks, change your battery. If your unit is sealed, you can check its expiration date and test with the button on the unit. Replace your alarm if it is expired or doesn't respond when the test button is pressed. Every 6 months, you should clean your alarm. Gently vacuum around the cover and vents to remove dust that could stop smoke from reaching the sensor. Remember, only working smoke alarms save lives.